Well, hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Thanks for being here everyone. Thanks for always supporting this channel. So today we're going to be making a serum for acne skin, and today we're going to be using a 2-ounce bottle, but up on the screen I will be putting up a recipe for the 1-ounce bottle, because you guys see me always making the 1-ounce bottle, so I will just put it up on the screen for the 1-ounce bottle. If you have to make the 2-ounce bottle, go ahead and double up on the recipe. So you can see right now we need the bottle, and then we need our syringe top, and then we're gonna go ahead. My eye is a little greasy from one of these oils. So as you can see here, we're going to be needing all these oils: the tea tree, the frankincense, the lavender, and the vitamin E. So let's put them in a bottle. So because I'm going to be counting, I'm going to need to stop talking for a little bit. And also, to use this oil, this serum, you just need about a drop or two in your hand and apply to your face and the neck also. Sorry guys if you hear a meow, that's my cat. Whenever I tend to do a video, he always meow. Too smart, but if I'm not have the camera on, he does not do that. So I'm just gonna apply all these drops to the bottle, and because I'm double up on the recipe, I have to count 2 times. So for example, I need 1 drop for, I need 5 drops of essential oil. I'm gonna go ahead and do 10, for example. So you just need to double up and the recipe. And I'm gonna also see if I can put the labels on today, because I said I was gonna do it tomorrow, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it tomorrow because I have some little things I have to take care of tomorrow. So might as well I just finish do it today and get over it and done. these bottles, and when I finish I will come back and I will tell you I will show you the rest, and I will see if I can put on labels today. I will try to print some labels, and if I don't know if I have any leftover labels, but if I don't, I will just print off another one. So guys, when you finish with putting in your carrier oil in a bottle, just give the bottle a good shake, because you need all these oils to mix together. And usually when I make a serum, I love to make my serum sit down for at least 2 weeks. So that's why sometimes I do them in advance, so the oil can sit down and then, you know, get to know each other, and then they blend together and so forth. So that's my little thing on serums, or not only serums, massage oils as well. This one float a little bit, or just spill a little bit to get my hands a little oily, right? So I spill a little bit here, so let me clean it off properly. Just give it a good clean, because if one spill over, then the rest is going to be oily because of my gloves. All right, so let's make some room here. And over, and you got perfect. do the same thing again. You want to make sure there's no air bubble get under, because there's an air bubble get under, then guess what's gonna happen? It's not gonna be looking properly, and then you have to take it off. So you just waste a whole label and waste time taking it off and try to scrape it off, and maybe you ruin the whole bottle and then you have to pour it into another one. Yeah, just give them a good wipe. Make sure again there's no oils on it, and because I was using oil, you never know if it may touch. So I am doing more than what I made today, because I need to just get this over. Alright guys, thank you so much. Watch to the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.